Hi all and welcome for being here today. My name is John Edric Hernando and I am happy to tell you a bit about myself. I was brought up in a family that continuously challenged me to exert effort and be dedicated to my dreams. Basketball is my favorite hobby. Play mobile games because it allows me to be myself and gives me a sense of happiness and calmness. At school, I prefer learning subjects such as computer programming, and I always try to be the best version of myself. Education is extremely significant to me since it opens up opportunities and makes up critically think about the world. Outside school, I keep myself busy with activities that make me a better individual. Regardless of what I do to assist at home, work on a task, or help a friend, I always attempt my best of being kind and responsibilities. I have learned that life does not always go easy, but staying possible and learning from errors does make a significant difference. In the next few years, I would hope to pursue my dream and create a lifestyle that honors my value and passions. Thank you for listening to me and I'm glad I have the chance to tell you my story. Thank you.